Another envelope stamped in red. Numbers rising, fear instead. Meter spinning like it don't care. Winter cold in the kitchen air. Pipes and wires, they say it's the fee. Upgrades, programs, policy. Delivery lines and storm repair. But tell me why we can't afford heating here. We paid on time for all these years. Now every bill confirms our fears. There's a shut-off notice on the door, and the fridge ain't full no more. Do we buy the food or keep the lights? We can't keep losing these fights. Working hard, still falling behind. Paycheck gone before it's signed. Tell me what all this suffering's for. Another shut-off notice on the door. They talk of grids and future plans, carbon goals and offshore fans. Billions spent out in the sea, but the cost rolls downhill to you and me. They call it progress, call it change, but the numbers feel a little strange. Wages frozen, prices climb, middle class erased in time. We did everything they said to do. Now the math just isn't true. There's a shut-off notice on the door, and the heat don't reach the floor. Kids and coach doing homework by light, hoping power stays on tonight. Working hard, still falling behind. Every dollar already assigned. Tell me what all this suffering's for. Another shut-off notice on the door. Meters whisper, pride gives way. Extension cords run across the way. Grandma choosing pills or heat. Pride and hunger rarely meet. Record shut-offs rising dead. Hardest winter hasn't hit yet. Somewhere towers shine so bright, while we ration more than light. There's a shut-off notice on the door. We can't live like this no more. We built these towns, we worked these years. We paid in sweat and blood and tears. If this is progress, who's it for? Why are we drowning at the shore? Hear our voices, hear our roar. No more shut-off notices on our door. Meters ticking, hope runs thin. How did survival become a sin?